In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shut down your Windows 10 computer with a timer. This can be an incredibly useful feature for those times when you want to ensure your computer turns off at a specific time without having to be physically present to do so. So let's get started and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First off, what you need to do is open up the Windows search bar and type in Task Scheduler. This tool is built into Windows and it allows you to automate various tasks on your computer, including shutting it down. Once you've found Task Scheduler in the list, go ahead and open it up. You'll be greeted with a fairly straightforward interface, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it. Next, look to the right hand side of the Task Scheduler window. You'll see an option that says Create Basic Task. Click on that and we'll begin setting up our shutdown task. A new window pops up asking for a name for your task. Feel free to name it something memorable, maybe Daily Shutdown. This way you'll easily recognize what this particular task is designed to do later on. With the name entered, hit Next and you'll now decide on the trigger for this task. This is essentially how frequently you want the task to run. For this example, let's say you want your computer to shut down daily, so choose the daily option, although you do have other choices such as weekly or monthly, depending on your needs. Now it's time to set the specific date and time. You can configure the task to run at whatever time you prefer. It's as easy as picking a date from the calendar and setting the time on the clock. If you want it, say, right before you go to bed, adjust the time accordingly. After setting the trigger, we need to decide on the action. When the task runs, what should it do? In our case, we want it to shut down the computer. So choose the Start a Program option. This will let us tell Windows to run the shutdown command at the specified time. Moving on, you'll be prompted to enter the program or script name. Simply type in shutdown here, but we're not done yet. Underneath there's a field where you can enter additional arguments. This tells Windows exactly how to shut down. Type in SSFIG 0. This combination of arguments ensures your computer shuts down immediately without prompt, closing any open applications forcefully. Finally, follow the remaining prompts to complete the setup of your task. Once finished, your scheduled shutdown task will appear in the Task Scheduler library. Remember, you can always edit or delete this task if your needs change, and there you have it. You've successfully set up your computer to shut down with a timer using Task Scheduler. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Windows tips.